Okay, welcome to class. I see that you have all open GeoGebra and you have it open to the front screen. The first thing we're going to do, but let me give you an introduction to the class. We're going to take a solid, a cone in this case, an infinite cone, and we're going to make slices out of it with planes. Plane is just a 2D surface. Okay? So as we walk through it, you'll understand more, but that's the initial introduction. So the first thing we want to do is play with the program. There's a view. What you see right now is the default view, but we want to change that default view and instead have a default view of 3D. So we're first going to go to the let me show you where it's the view. It's the third that you see: File, Edit, and View. Click View, and look on down the list. About in the middle, you'll see 3D graphics. Click that once. Okay, you just got it. Okay, you all have it. Good, good. Now we want to eliminate one of the views we won't need, and that is the 2D. Go to the same thing, the View, same menu. Go down to Graphics, up in the upper side, Graphics, right here. It's the fourth one down on that one, and click it. It will turn it off. Good, Max. Click it once. The graphics, yeah. And that's okay. If you mess up, we can always back it back up. No problem there. You're doing great. Now, what you're looking at is 3D space. You see the three axes, X, Y, and Z. So what we're going to do right now is for practice, we're going to create a plane. So type in, you'll see at the bottom, very bottom, you put your cursor on input. Click once on input, very bottom, input, and you type in Z equals 0. And that's the plane. Every point that is on the on where Z is equal to 0. Good? And then Z equals 0, and hit enter when you have that in. And right away you'll see you have a Z equals 0 plane. Good. So it highlighted where Z equals 0. Now it's actually not so obvious, so what we'll do is we'll click that by selecting it on the 3D screen. Select that plane once by clicking it. Click the 3D surface. Yeah, click in here. That's right. Click once. Just once, and then just click it once. Okay, now when you clicked it, you hit delete when it's selected. Okay. Okay, click it once. You can close that box. And now it's selected, so you just hit delete. Okay? Now, instead of y equals 0, which is already marked on the screen on 3D view, we want to instead put z equals 9. Oh, actually, let's start with z equals 3. Z equals 3. Now look at that. That shows the surface. Notice it doesn't go forever, but that plane goes forever. So we only see a section of what's on there. So let's add one more plane. In the same input, write z equals 9. And hit enter. Where is it?
On the plane.
Do you know where it's at?
Same place.
Now I'm going to teach you something else. Look at the scale for the z-axis. What's the highest number on the z-axis?
I don't see it.
As the axis goes up, the numbers go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm making the infinite numbers.
They go forever, but they only show you up to 5. So we want to, do you know how to zoom? Oh, you did it. You guessed it. So
I'm zooming out.
you zoomed out. You zoom in. and zoom out. One's up and one's down.
I'm zooming out.
2 fingers up, 2 fingers down.
Oh.
Same as other programs.
I got 3.
Okay? You should have 3. One is just the z equals 0 marker, and then z equals 3, and what was that last one we typed in?
Z equals 9.
Z equals 9. Go ahead and delete z equals 9. You can highlight it on the algebra side or on the 3D side, and either way hit delete. Yeah, delete. Okay.
I got nothing in there.
Okay, do you have z equals 3? We'll need z equals 3.
Okay.
So go ahead and put it back in if you deleted it. Okay, I think we're all there. Now we're going to put in 2 points. We get to play with it afterwards, but
Wait.
just follow along for now.
Is that the one?
Oh, that looks great, I think. You can look on your list on the left, right here, z equals 3. And does that say z equals 3?
Yeah.
Good. Then we're on the right track. Now I'm going to put in a point. Now, at the bottom, in the input, oh, you don't have to worry about where you are right now. We can find it later.
I'm finding it.
Okay, good. Okay, follow along. Just wait, Max. And put in the point, and we can find it. Put in the point is A equals, and just type this for input of A equals open parentheses, which is shift 9. A equals open parentheses.
Oh. I got E9. It's closed parentheses.
A equals
shift 9.
A equals shift 9, which is open parentheses, 0, comma 0, comma 0.
Wait. Do it again. A's in.
A equals open parentheses.
Whatever.
And then close parentheses, which you did. But you need an equal sign.
That?
Okay?
Whoa.
Now, you put it. Oh, you didn't put an equal sign. Go back.
I did.
Delete that.
It's right here. Open
That's a vector marking. We want the point.
So you do enter? Yeah, what about A? Wait, no. Like, I already did. No, it's good. No, 1. Have to have 1.
Oh, capital A maybe. Let's go with capital A.
Ooh.
The vectors and capital A is a point. You didn't need capital A. Oh, yeah. It's hard to read that screen.
Then what about that?
Good.
What about
0, comma 0.
Yes, I got a point. Wait. 0.
Yeah, capital A. Good. That's a good clarification.
What did I do that?
0, comma 0, comma 0. Close parenthesis. 3D space has 3, and then close parenthesis.
Like this, and then
Close parenthesis. Shift 0, not shift 9.
there we go. Is
Okay,
that
now
right?
hit enter. And point A should appear on your screen.
I do.
Yeah.
You still need a plane.
See,
There you
I
go.
got it now.
Okay, you still need plane. Stop.
I still need plane 1.
Type in plane.
Right here.
Type in plane. Okay. Z equals 3. Okay, you were missing.